Hello everyone, welcome to Samasto YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn MS Paint, another tutorial. Line. Select any outline from here. The default outline set is solid. Click the first point of the line, then draw as you want. Just click at another point. You may change line size. Color. Outline color can be changed by color 1. Let's check the outline type, how it looks like if changed. If you want to draw the straight line, then simply hold the Shift key, and draw. Leave Shift key after finishing the drawing. You can draw a rectangular shape by Line tool. Curve. First, draw the line. Then curve at the first point of the line. After complete, curve at the last point of the line. Oval or circle. Let's draw. Normally circle would be like this. If you hold the Shift key and draw, then it will be the perfect shape of a circle. If you change the outline and fill type of this shape, then it looks like this. Rectangle. Change to default outline, and fill type. Normally rectangle would be like this. If you hold the Shift key and draw, then it will be the perfect shape. Let's fill them with color. Use brush tool also for filling color. It looks like this. Let's continue with other tools. Rounded rectangle. Polygon. Follow the drawing steps. Once start the polygon, then it complete with click at the start point. Triangle. Right triangle. Diamond. Pentagon. Hexagon. Right arrow. Left arrow. Up arrow. Down arrow. You can move shape anywhere. 4-point star. 5-point star. 6-point star. Rounded rectangular callout. Oval callout. Cloud callout. Here is more shapes. Heart. Lightning. You can input text to the callout. Today taught the basic drawing tools used in MS Paint. Other tools discussed in the next tutorial. You can now open MS Paint and check by own. If you like this video, please click on the like button. Also subscribe our YouTube channel. And click on bell icon for more updates. See you in part 3.